Welcome to this step-by-step guide on installing an Accelerator 365 app from the SharePoint Store. Accelerator 365 offers a suite of tools designed to enhance your SharePoint intranet and help you build a modern digital workspace. Let's walk through a typical installation process for one of our apps. Step 1. Open the settings on your SharePoint site. From any SharePoint online site, start by selecting the Settings icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Add an App. Step 2. Access the SharePoint Store. At the top of the page, navigate to the SharePoint Store. From here, you'll be able to find every Accelerator 365 app. Step 3. Find an Accelerator 365 app. In the search bar, type Accelerator and press Enter. Then select the app you want to install. Step 4. Adding an app. Select the Add to App Site button to initiate the installation process. At this point, you see an option to add the app to all sites or to give site owners the option to manually add the app later. Select your preference to continue to add the app. Once the app is added, you may be shown a message indicating that further permissions approval is required. This step is necessary for some of our apps that integrate with other parts of M365. Check out our dedicated video for further instructions. Step 5. Verify the installation status. To verify the app has successfully installed, you can visit the Manage Apps page by following the on-screen alert. There you can locate your app and view further details. Congratulations! You've successfully installed an Accelerator 365 app from the SharePoint Store. Explore its features to enhance your SharePoint environment. Ready to accelerate your intranet? Visit our knowledge base for more help and guides.